If you drive a Jeep XJ, you already know that classic 4.0-liter engine is tough as nails. But the stock air intake? Yeah, it kind of chokes the life out of your power. A good cold air intake lets that beast breathe. More airflow, cooler temps, better throttle response. Whether you're crawling trails or cruising highways, swapping in a cold air kit is one of the easiest ways to wake up your engine. Stick around, we're checking out the best cold air intakes for the Jeep XJ. And remember, all the product links are down in the video description. Starting with the Spectre Performance air intake system, this setup is all about flow and flash. It features polished aluminum tubing, a reusable red Spectre high-performance racing filter, and a black powder-coated heat shield to keep hot air out. The result? Cooler, denser air hitting your engine for better horsepower and torque. Installation is straightforward with all hardware included. Let's hear how it sounds. Next up, the K&N Cold Air Intake, the gold standard for performance intakes. Built with a high-density polyethylene tube and an oversized oiled cotton filter, this setup boosts airflow and delivers a guaranteed horsepower increase. Around 7.9 horsepower and 9.2 pound-feet of torque. You can drive up to 100,000 miles before cleaning the filter, and installation takes less than an hour. Plus, it's street legal in all 50 states and backed by K&N's no-hassle lifetime warranty. It's tried, tested, and built to last. Finally, the Rough Country Cold Air Intake System. This one's all about power and protection. It relocates the filter away from the hot engine bay, pulling in cooler, denser air for stronger combustion and better performance. The reusable filter is easy to clean, and the large diameter tubing really opens up your airflow. Users say throttle response improves instantly, and the sound is deeper and meaner. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this setup is perfect for Jeep owners who like to hit the dirt and keep their engine breathing clean. So here's the bottom line. If you want your Jeep XJ to breathe easier and perform stronger, these cold air intakes get the job done. The Spectre Performance system adds great looks and power at a solid price. The K&N gives you proven long-term performance. And the Rough Country is perfect for off-road warriors. Check out all the links in the video description, and if this helped you out, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more Jeep tips and gear reviews.